guys, my name's Brianna and I work for Tentworld Online. Today we're going to be talking about the Zempire 2-burner Deluxe and Grill. This one's constructed from a powder coated steel and includes a stainless steel drip tray and a grill tray with a chrome rack. It comes with a 600mm hose with a 3/8 connection and there's no need for a regulator, so it connects straight to a gas bottle and you can get cooking sooner. With this one as well, so there's 2 times 12,000 BTU burners that consume 540 grams an hour and one 6,000 BTU grill which consumes 135 grams an hour. It also has individual adjustment controls with separate piezo ignitions, so there's no need for matches, although we do sell first aid kits, but hopefully not for this purpose. The 3 windshields means you're completely covered while you're camping and you can use the 2 burners and the grill at the same time. When packing up, the unit folds down to a compact carry size and has integrated handles. The lid also locks, so you're not going to have any pieces jumping around in your car. With all the capabilities and the versatility that the stove offers, the Zempire 2-burner Deluxe and Grill is perfect for all families and longer camping trips. You can check this one out online and in store now.